Spiky here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I've created a script to install some CLI tools we are going to use throughout these video series. This script will be executed every time we spin up a terminal, and will download all used tools in our environment. This way, we are able to mimic the same environment in whatever machine. Doing this, we can later build our solution in any environment such as GitHub or GitLab. Let's go. At the moment of creating this video and uploading the script to my GitHub page, we have tools like GitLeaks, Helm, JQ, K6, Kind, kubectl, Lychee, Popeye, Small Steps, and Terraform. I have added some environment variables to our version script in the CLI folder. Every time we want to use another tool, we have to define the current version in this script. I've added a CLI script. Let's see what's in there. First of all, we distinguish the operating system we are on to download the binaries of the tools. At the moment, my script supports Linux and Windows binaries. I've defined some variables that ensure the correct spelling of a name. Then I've made a function per tool to curl the binary. Unzip or untar it, depending on the operating system. After unzipping, the script will remove the zip or tar file and change the file's privileges to be able to run it. At the end of this script, all those functions will be called one by one. We can manually execute this script by executing the following commands, but for our solution, I have added those commands to our bash profile script. This way, every time we open up a terminal, the script will be called. Let's see it in action. We can always call this script manually. Every tool that already exists will be skipped, so if you want to upgrade the version, you have to delete the executable before running this script. This, of course, will be no problem on a freshly spun up GitHub build machine, for example. You know the point of these videos are not to give you an overview of each tool, but I'm going to demo each tool anyway. Enjoy. Spiky out.